Pret met Afrikaans. Fun with Afrikaans. Please note for grade 1s, all Afrikaans vocabulary taught does not need to be written or read in grade 1. The learners must just know it clearly. Goue lokkies. Goldilocks. Dit is te warm. Dit is te warm. Dit is te warm. It's too hot. Dit is te koud. Dit is te koud. Dit is te koud. It's too cold. Dit is te hard. Dit is te hard. Dit is te hard. It's too hard. Dit is te sag. Dit is te sag. Dit is te sag. It's too soft. Dit is net reg. Dit is net reg. Dit is net reg. It's just right.